For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
With the Rajya Sabha elections in Gujarat slated for June 19, there is unrest in the Congress camp. The party's two MLAs, which are Kaprada MLA Jitu Chaudhary and Karjan MLA Akshay Patel, resigned on Wednesday evening. The duo submitted their resignations to Gujarat Assembly Speaker Rajendra Trivedi. Trivedi told the reporters that the MLAs have resigned voluntarily.
हमारे गुजरात विधानसभा के विधायकों ने कल शाम को रेजिग्नेशन वॉलंटरीली दिया है, अपनी खुशी से दिया है। उसकी मैंने तहकीकात की है, उनसे पृच्छा की है। कोई दबान उनके ऊपर नहीं है, कोई धमकी नहीं है, कोई लालच तो नहीं है।
Assembly Speaker Rajendra Trivedi accepted the resignations of the two MLAs.
रेजिग्नेशन दिया है मेरे को, मैंने उसे मंजूर किया है। करजन विधानसभा के अक्षय भाई पटेल, माननीय अक्षय भाई पटेल ने रेजिग्नेशन दिया है, उसको मंजूर किया है। और कपराड़ा के माननीय धारासभ्य श्री जीतू भाई चौधरी, उन्होंने भी ये रेजिग्नेशन मेरे पास आए और अपनी खुशी से, स्वखुशी से रेजिग्नेशन दिया है, वो भी मैंने मंजूर किया है। तो ये दो धारासभ्य जो हैं हमारे गुजरात विधानसभा के, वो अब धारासभ्य नहीं रहे हैं।
There are unconfirmed reports that another MLA could quit. This comes after three Congress MLAs had allegedly met Chief Minister Vijay Rupani and Deputy Chief Minister Nitin Patel on Wednesday. This had given rise to the possibility of defection of the Congress MLAs to the BJP. Sources say that the MLAs were Kirit Patel, Lalit Vasoya and Lalit Khagatara. The MLAs have, however, denied speculation of switching to the BJP. Congress Rajya Sabha MP from Maharashtra and AICC in charge of Gujarat Rajiv Satav in tweets accused the BJP of horse trading.
Isn't Gujarat government the only one in the world where government has abandoned people in the middle of a global pandemic, refused to fund train fare for poor migrants, but leaves no stone unturned to fund horse trading activities for a Rajya Sabha election? India is in the midst of its independent history's biggest health, economic and humanitarian crisis. BJP, though, cannot think beyond putting all its energies in poaching legislators for Rajya Sabha polls. People be damned.
Here is why the resignations of these lawmakers could cost the Congress party. The Rajya Sabha election for 4 seats in Gujarat is slated for June 19 as it was postponed due to the COVID-19 pandemic. It was earlier supposed to be held on March 26th. Rajya Sabha election is to be held for 4 seats in Gujarat. Of the 4 Rajya Sabha seats in Gujarat for which elections will be held, the BJP has 3 and the Congress 1. Any candidate needs at least 34 MLAs to win, and the BJP has an advantage with 103 MLAs. The BJP can easily win 2 of the 4 seats. The party has fielded a third candidate which could make it to a close contest. The Congress may find it tough to win a second seat after the resignation of 2 of its MLAs. It could be a 2017-like situation for the Congress when it managed to retain the seat of its senior leader Ahmed Patel after a hard fight by a thin margin.